Hello, all. Another unboxing coming. Uh, I'll show you what I picked up. Start off with what I already unboxed that came in. I got a bunch of Superboys, issue 220, Superboy and Legion of Superheroes, 218, 217, covers a little bit on the wrong side, 215, 214, 213, 219. I gotta put these in order. 230. And these are ones I got a bag and board. 232. This is a Whitman variant. I can't tell you the number. 231. 225. 224. 223. 222. 221. And then I picked up what was sort of the last of the stragglers of the Batman Adventures. I got the Silver Edition of #1 and the Legion of Collectors version of #1. Now, the only one I don't have in #1 that I know it's a variant is the Halloween Fest, which I won't put with that. I'll put that with the Halloween Fest books. And I also picked up the variant, the only other variant for #25, which was a Best Western / AT&T. And now I'll get right to the unboxing from...
Resistance might be able to, but you're going to have to trust me. Are you kidding? You know us for years. You must have been confused with someone else. I don't think he's kidding. Listen, if we wanted to hurt you, we would have. Speaking out against the regime. Incredible. Not really. It happens every day. That's why I started the resistance. We're all working for outsiders.
Okay. Let's start with this lot. Shadow of the Bat, #3. Legends of the Dark Knight, #44. #45. #42. #43. Shadow of the Bat, #4. Batman 463. Legends of the Dark Knight, 51. 40. 39. Punisher War Journal, 23. 22. Punisher #7. Punisher #69. Or is this the Nam? I have to look this up, but I think this is the Punisher. 23. I mean, that was 68, I mean. 67. 53,
Only we could have controlled the wave fluctuations.
52,
Reality.
Punisher number 6, Punisher War Journal number 36, number 34, number 32, and number 26. That's this bag. Now let me open the next one. Fantastic Four. Oh wow.
They used it as a tunnel into the past.
And altered history to change the outcome of the war.
Now I only wanted number 4, but I got the whole series of Fantastic Four unplugged. Thanks, Dan. I only needed this issue to finish the whole series, so I'll be doing a video on that whole run. And he also sent me the. Oh, I had to. Well, okay. Nobody bought these. I guess we gave them to me. I had these 4 already. I got a double series of that, but I needed one issue to finish the Avengers Domination faction. So I got Fantastic Four, True Believers number 1, Fantastic Four, Powers of X number 5, House of X number 5, House of X number 4, Marvel Amazing Fantasy number 1 of 5, Wildcats X-Men number 1, and then Justice League, Legion of Doom 18, Star Trek, I think this is volume 2, number 13,
Not quite.
number 10, number 8, Batman Rebirth number 1, Wonder Woman Rebirth number 2, Batman Superman Future State number 1, Aquaman number 43 variant cover, Justice League number 9, number 11. Oh, what he said? He sent me a coverless comic. What's this one? Teen Titans number 5. Justice League number 14, number 15, number 16, and number 17. And that is what I picked up. I actually have a couple more books I bought off of him. I put on the side. At least I don't have, with him it's like $5 there, $10 there, so it's not that bad with him. It's not like, most of the books I win, they're cheap, so I can collect. I can still collect. If you notice, I haven't been doing a lot of, buying, so that's one of the reasons why. My wife goes for her surgery December 4th, next Monday. Still don't have a vehicle. Waiting for the insurance is supposed to pay me, so as soon as they do, I'm running up. I'm hoping to get the same van I owned. And the cat's over here messing with the camera. But that's what's going on here. Making the best out of what's going on. So, and as always, I thank all you guys for viewing and subscribing. King Joe out.